Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make these cinnamon bites for Tasty Tuesday. You will need 2 medium-sized bowls, 1 small bowl to melt butter, and a cooking pan. For this recipe, you will be making 2 things at the same time, the bread and the icing. You will need a can of biscuits, a half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you guys have icing at home, you guys can use that instead of making this batch. To make the icing, you will use a cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 cupfuls of milk. You guys are going to start by opening up the can of biscuits and cutting each biscuit into 4 pieces. It should look like this. After you guys are done cutting the biscuits, you're going to get a bowl and put together the brown sugar with the cinnamon. Once you have mixed the brown sugar with the cinnamon, you're going to put the pieces that you cut into the bowl and mix them around so that they're all coated with the mix of the two. You guys can now put them in the pan that you're going to use to put them in the oven. Next, you guys are going to melt the butter in the microwave, and once it looks like this, you guys are going to drizzle it all over the biscuits in the pan. After pouring the butter over the biscuits, you guys can set that aside and preheat your ovens to 350 degrees. For the icing, you're going to get a separate bowl and pour in the powdered sugar, the vanilla, and the milk. Once everything is added, you guys are going to mix it all together until it looks like this. Once your icing is ready, you want to grab the pan you set aside with the biscuits and pour most of the icing on top of it so that you can save some for when they come out of the oven. You guys can now carefully put them in the oven and let them bake for 22 minutes. Once they are done, they should look golden brown like this. If they are not, you guys can add another minute or so. Your last step is just to drizzle the remaining icing on top and enjoy!